Okay, so I wanted to show everybody this sticker book that I got for Christmas from my grandma. My sister did a page out of it already. She did this fish. And so then that's what they look like. And there's a frog, and you just take the stickers and, like, if it says C25 or something, just take it and go to where it says C25. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do artwork of this. But the only problem is, where would I hang it? Because, like, I don't know. Like, tape, it doesn't stick to the wall with tape very well. Yeah. So those are all of them. And it's by Brain Games. Sticker by number. Flowers in nature. Let me know what one you think I should do first. But this one was made by my sister. Yeah.